So this account yesterday, I deposited $10, and then I start risking it all. This is a real balance, $75. I had it already to $97, but then I was in the beginning. I start making trades. I risked the $10, and then the second I risk it all, and then until like three times I got to 55. After that I start doing 5 or 10, 5 or 10, and I got already to 93. But and then after that I've been kind of having some losses. So that's the $10 deposit out there. I deposited yesterday, and that's a real trade history. Been winning a lot. You can see from these 10 trades, I only lost one. Right now, what I'm currently recording, I did some trades, but I was running some trades, but I think I will lose them. The market, it was just jumping up back and forth. I shouldn't trade. I had it to $85, but sometimes, sometimes you risk and then you lost because see this was a big one. I basically risked the $50 that I had it and then win it. But the percentage that they were paying really cheap. So to analyze the market, I don't use the broker. Uh, I don't use the broker because this broker is good. I mean, I really like IQ auction, but where I live in United States, they don't allow IQ auction. I mean, I had an IQ auction account, but I can only deposit the money, but I cannot withdraw it. So if you can deposit money and not you cannot withdraw it, is I mean, why you trade? And closed auction, the broker I'm using now, I can deposit and withdraw. So that's the only difference. And the minimum deposit is $5. So I rather use that broker. I mean, I don't like the way that the charts looks in there. Nothing like that. I just use MetaTrader 5, the 1 minute time frame, and then the 15 minutes time frame. That's where I look my opportunities. And this is a simple moving averages. I had the 20 and I had the 9. And basically, if the nines, I had two nines. The only one is a 3 period shifted than the other one. And what I do is, if the 9 is over the 20, I look for calls, and then vice versa. If the 9 is below the 20 is the black line, the black average. So if below, I look for puts. Right now, we're going to look for one opportunity, and we're going to make a live trade. I mean, to see how it goes. So a new candle has started, a new 15 candle. We're going to look at trade. It's gonna be a $10, and I think I'm going to make a put. I just gotta wait few more minutes, like maybe 2 more minutes, 3 minutes inside of the candle. I'm going to choose a $10 binary. I'm going to go now. But right now, the broker, because the volatility of the market has dropped, so they drop it down the percentage that they pay. They were paying 79%. Right now, they paying 63%. That's a lot or less, but we go for a put. Right now, we're winning it, so I gotta see how it ends up. 9 minutes to go. I gotta. I will show you guys before it close, like 2 minutes before it close, the results. Uh, I don't want to make a too long video, so I come back. So we are like 5 minutes more to go. We're still winning the trade. Market is just dropping down. You can tell right there. So there's a high possibility of winning this trade. The reason I go for a put is because it's just been going up, 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 and the 15 minutes it just hit the one big resistance. So we'll see the results. So the market is just drop a lot. It's still dropping down. It's still dropping down. We'll see. So the trade is at 2 more minutes, and then it will close in 2 more minutes. It has a high possibility of it's going to win. So the market is just going down. We got uh, we got pretty good entry, but right now the market, like I say, is kind of contracting. But I think we I think we'll probably win it. So this is in the MetaTrader 5. You can see that the 15-minute candle that it was green just turned red, and then in the 1 minute chart, the price it broke the nines and also broke the 20 period moving average, so it's going down. Our trade is all the way up in the 1 minute, right before it cracked the nines and the 20s. So I think it's gonna be a win. Okay, guys, 35 seconds to go. See if we win it for a really good distance. 20 seconds to go. And then I think it's going to be a win. And unless the market goes all the way up in 8 seconds. Sometimes, market is crazy, but I think this is a win. Okay, we win it. So the the value in the account is just going up to $82. Uh, Market is going up, but our trade was all the way in the peak, so we win it for good, and then we're going to look for another opportunity. So a new candle has started, a new 15 candle. Um, I think we're going to choose a put. I will do a $5 ones because the market right now is just jumping up back and forth. But I think I'm going to go in another put for $5 right now. Let me see. So it's gonna be $5, and we're going put for 10 minutes. Okay, we open it for 10 minutes to go down. I could get better entry, but I will open a second trade at $10 to get better entry because I think I jumped too early in the other one. So I open a second position, $10. So we're winning the $10 one. So the first one, I think I jumped too early, but we'll check the results. I think probably still a high possibility of winning it, but we got the second position, $10. So that will recover our loss and a little profit on top. So it looks like it's going to go like I say. It's gonna go down, but we got a better entry in the second position. So we'll check it. We'll check it and to see how it ends up. So you can see, guys, both of the trades are in the profit right now. It's still 8 minutes in one, 7 minutes in the other one to go. So we'll see how it goes. But like I say, this strike is a high possibility of winning. So I grew my account from $10 already to 80s. I went already to 96, I believe, and then had some losses. But right now, if I win these two trades, I'm gonna be like around $90. So market is dropping. I wish The first trade I entered it and the peak where I had the $10 one, but I think I jumped it too early. So still winning both trades, but I wish I jumped it and where the thing is the second position is 3 more minutes to go, and this is you can tell the clock. I'm making this live, so you can see the clock in the left corner. We started this trade like around 101, so it's it was a poop. See guys, the market is just dropping like I predicted. Not all the times you can predict the market. Sometimes it just when it's in contraction mode, you can be the best trader, but you can no tell exactly where it's going. But when sometimes you can predict a lot of times when it's trending, if it's trending up or trending down, it's easy to predict it. So you can see in the top. So the 15 minutes that we checked when it was green, just turned red. Uh, just like I told you guys, sometimes the market they want you to go long when they planning to go short, or sometimes the market goes short when they planning to go long. So they always doing the opposite of retail traders. See, this is our trade. We got a really damn good entry. One is about to close. The first entry that I thought was gonna be bad entry is at 10 seconds to go, and then the other one is about 50 seconds to go. I think it's going to be another two wins. This is live, guys. Three trades in a row win. This is the second one. We started recording the video 12:46, the 10 minutes one. See this entry right at the peak of the candle. 21 seconds to go. Really good entry. So 10 seconds to go, and this is going to be 1000% win. I mean, there's no way that you're going to lose a trade like this. So three in the row, win. So what we're gonna do is look for another entry, for another opportunity to see if we get another entry. Right now we're sitting at $91. Already three trades in the win, two $10 ones and one $5 ones. So I will see if we find another candle, another entry. So it opens another candle. We already traded two candles, two 15 minutes candle. Already opens a new candle. So in this case, it opens going up. Right now, when it's candles like this, they start jumping back and forth from the first minute. Sometimes it's a sign that it's gonna be like a doji candle. I don't like to trade those candles because sometimes it's just the market is just jumping up and down, up and down. So I want to see in the first minutes, I want to see like a strong momentum to one side and then choose the other side, because so the banks love to manipulate the market. So if I don't see a strong momentum in the first 5 minutes to either going bull or going short, I'm not interested. Sometimes, even this candle, it has a little bit strange going bull, which probably means that the market is going to continue to drop, but we'll make a little try in this one. I don't want to go crazy on it because I don't see momentum in there. I just will go $5 down, $5 binary. We go in short. We're still going short, guys. We already wins the first ones going short, and I think this one still the market is going to drop down. We got a good entry. This is a $5 one. I don't want to go crazy on it. because in the beginning, like I say, the candle start really weak, and sometimes these candles when it start like that, they ended up being a doji, you know, being jumping up and down like crazy. So we win in the trade. It's 9 minutes to go. I'm doing 10 minutes binaries, working in the 15 minutes candles. So if we win this one, it will be the fourth. And you can see the clock is 1:18. We trading every 15 candles. We found a trade, and we'll see how it goes. It looks like we catch the peak of the candle. This is what I say, guys. The banks, they love to manipulate markets. Sometimes if they planning to go short, they take the market long first. And if they planning to go long, so they take the market short, and then they go long. If they planning to go short, they take the market long, and then they reverse the market. They always do the opposite of retail traders are doing. So as a retail trader, we are retail traders. Some of us, we kind with strategies and ways to win to the market. Like I say, right now I'm doing small challenges, just trying to grow the channel. I just opened this channel not too long ago, a couple of days ago. I only had like 3 subscribers, which is nothing. But hopefully, I continue making videos like this and get some more of you guys to follow me, just trying to make a family of trading so we catch the peak of the candle. And I got only $5 in this one because this candle is almost like a doy. It's just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I don't like this type of candles because sometimes in 1 minute it can tell you profits out the market. So when you see a candle that is jumping up and down, just don't go too crazy on it. Open a small tray, and then if you lose a small money. But looking, it's going our way really good, like I predicted. There's a 4 minutes to go, and then this tray will be done, and then that will be the 4 wins in a row. Before I had these 2 losses, I had a lot of wins. See, wins, win, and then loss, win. Like 4 wins in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 losses, and then 1, 2, 3. This one is it's going to be the 4th win in the row. Trading live, guys. You can tell the clock left corner. We opening one tray every 15 minutes. We're working with the 15 minutes candles and the 1 minute candles. You can tell what I told you. So the 15 minute they took it long. So they tried to get the traders to go long. But once they go long and then they reverse and they go short. The banks are really, really smart. That's why the richest people in the world, uh, the market makers, they manipulate markets really, 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 really good. So people don't make money, but we come with the strategies that we can make money, and hopefully, one day we can make a like a living, from trading. I will do bigger accounts as it's going the time. So as we continue the time, I will be making a bigger accounts, and I will be making bigger accounts on forex and bigger accounts on binary auctions. Right now, I'm making it small so people can see. I do have a good job. I remodel houses. I make like around 5K every month from remodeling houses. So that's a really good money. But I like trading for fun. And I had a lot of investments back in my home. I had a lot of properties and stuff, but I like trading. So this trade is 8 seconds to go. 6, 5, 4, 3, and you can tell we win it for a really big distance. So it's closing $94. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. I will make another one just to make a five, and then I will close the video. I don't want to make too long video. I found this and I found this trading. You always trade with two time frames. For example, right now I'm using the 15 with the 1 minute, but sometimes I use the 60 minutes with the 5 minutes, and sometimes the 4 hour with the 15 minutes, and then the daily with the 4 hour, and the daily with the week, and the weekly with the month. So always use two time frames to trade. That way you can have a better chance to win. So in other candle opens in other 15 minutes, it's really weak candle still, hasn't been moving. So if that determines if we're trading or not that candle, I want to see in the first 3 minutes a lot of momentum, either going up or going down. So right now it looks like it's picking up, and we'll see how it goes. It's just weighing up good, a lot of momentum to the outside, but I'm still short. You know, I will go one more time, $5, 10 minutes going down. So I still short. I'm gonna make a $5 one short. My daughter wants to play, so I will record this last trade and then play with my daughter. So we shorted it one more time in the market, and we'll see how it goes. 9 minutes to go. Still 5 more minutes. We winning the trade. We got good entry. I wish I could get it right at the peak, but we still winning it. We'll see the results. So it looks like this one is going to be a loss. So 4 winners, one loss. 2 minutes to go. I don't think that is going to come back. You cannot win them all, but if you win more than you lost, you always gonna be good. So just keep that in mind, that you cannot win in all. It's just like the banks, they don't win in all trades. They give some to people, so people, it keeps happy trading, and keeps putting the money inside of the markets. But you know, you can look for in other setups, in other trades. This one is gonna be a loss, but so in other 15 minutes candle opens, I will do one more last trade, and then I be done with it. I don't want to make a too long video. We already traded 1, 2, 3, 4. We traded 5 candles, and I think this one is going to be the 6 candles. The 1 minute candle that we trade right now. So I think we're going to go for a short one more time. A $5 one. $5 going short. Oh shit! It didn't go through. I wanted to go right there, but when I pressed the button, it didn't go somehow. So I missed my opportunity. Okay, guys, when I pressed the button, it didn't go. I will go right here. I be in my trade, but it's too late now. Too bad, guys. I missed my opportunity. I just somehow when I pressed the button, the trade didn't go through. It was gonna be a dang good trade because I wanted, when I told you guys, it was all the way down here. But you guys saw that I pressed the button, and the trade didn't go through. Somehow didn't go through. And but if you miss one trade, don't jump on it. Wait for another opportunity. I told you guys that there wasn't one opportunity and I want to go short right here, but when I press the button the trade doesn't go through because I was recording and trying to, I tried to touch the button. I think I did, but the trade didn't go through. So I mean, sometimes you're gonna miss opportunities like this, but it's not the end of the world. You always will find new opportunities. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video, and I'll be making more videos. I will continue this account to see how far I take it. Hopefully, I take it like to 300 or $500. I'll be posting more videos. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, comment, and thank you.